Hello guys, this is Birdo176 here, and this is a little short video here to show you. A lot of you guys probably know about looking through your coins for the silver coins. You may not know that you can also do it with coppers, and you can get full coppers here. So you see this little pile here that I have. I searched through this much copper coins and these silver because it's just coming through here. It's big fun. Basically, I've had this for a couple years now. And I stopped to look at these here for you guys. But these are the coins. I found that many copper so far just out of that pile. And copper's not really much of a super precious metal, but it's still worth a little bit more than the penny itself if you can get a troy ounce worth of the copper. And it's worth about $3, I think. I think it is, don't hold me to it. So what you're looking for in here is a lot of these coins in here. And I found a really, really nice one here. You see that this probably looks like a brand new penny to you guys, but if you look on the flip side of it here, it's a, get it in there, I don't know. Well, you can see it, but it's a 1974. It's a really shiny one. I'm probably not gonna even put that one, melt that one down into copper. But basically, the coins you're looking for here are like coins like this. This one is a 1982, and you're looking for 1982 or earlier coins. And if you do find 1982s, you want to be careful because that year they didn't make the zinc and the copper coins. So there's a test that you can do. It's a lot like the silver test, where if you drop it on a hard surface, you'll hear more of a. If it's the real copper, you'll hear more of a louder, or not, like a more clink, like a bell sound, almost, than a flat or dull sound like the silver test is, if you've heard of it. So we're gonna drop this one here just to show you real quick. And I've already tested this one, but if you guys can hear it, yeah, that's really dull. It's compared to one of these where there's a little there. That was good. There's a little more ring to them than this one. It's really hard to tell, but you always want to be careful of them. Should I drop that? Yep. Okay, that one's the one that we didn't want to put in there. And that was the okay one. Alright. So I'm just going to go through a couple more here. You see here. I didn't rig this. I literally, here, just to show you. I'll put this off to the side. I'll just grab some. I'm grabbing some right out of the thing here. And I'm going to separate the silver out of it real quick. I have all the pennies. Nah, pick this one up right off the bat. I can already tell you that this one is a copper one because it's when the zinc ones age a little more, they get more of a brown color like this. I don't know, it kind of looks kind of shiny still, but they get a little more brown colored if you've ever seen them before. But these, they get dull like this. So this one's a copper one. I picked that one up right away. Let's see what the date is. Yep, it's a 1972. That's a copper penny. And let's see if we can find some more. This one, I don't think will be. See, here's a good example of one that's. Let me find the date real quick, just to be sure. Yeah, 1984. This is one. These are the more brown-looking ones, as you can see here. It's a brown penny, more like. And these, where it's a lighter color to them, almost like an earthy color. So yeah, this could be an old one. Yeah. Nope, 2008. Like I said, I found that one in the pile, which was pretty neat. You don't normally find those. Here's a 1998. 76 here. This is a pretty shiny one too. Put that one in the pile. Here, 98. That's not good. 2000. 2008. And this one's a 2000. This one shouldn't be on. Yep, here's another one, 1974. Put another one in the pile. And another one, 1963. And 2005. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go through these real quick for you. Is that an old quarter? No, it's a 77. It looked pretty old. But not quite there. Oh, it's a 94, right? So, okay. Now we're gonna go through this handful real quick just to finish up. Okay, so 78 here. And this is one of the new designed ones. Here. A 97, that one's gonna go down there. And 80 with a little misprint on it here. Yeah, that's a neat one. This one's a misstamp here, if you can see in the bottom. Right there, if you're still with me here. This, you see how Lincoln, he's sitting up a little more than he normally does in a coin. Here, let me get it. Here, yeah. Here's one. See how he sits? Oh. Here, let me get it better. Or here, let me put it in the light. See here how he sits flush with the bottom. This one, he's raised up a little bit more than normal off the bottom. This usually happens when the die gets old, when it gets to like an older die stage. It'll press in a little more. See, there's a little ring in between there. It's 1980, so it's a copper. This one here, 2000. It's gonna go in the bad pile. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it out here. I'm gonna just keep searching here for a little bit. But I just wanted to show you that, see, that's our fun little count here from that are all coppers. So yeah, if you're still with me, just wanted to show you how to not only look through your silver coins, but to look through your coppers too. You can get a little bit, get some money out of them if you melt them down. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you were wanting, it's they're 97%, they're 0.97 grade copper, so it's not your 999 copper. So it's gonna be a little cheaper, but once you melt out the impurities, a little bit of the impurities from like the grime and stuff in your fingers, it'll be a little bit better. But yeah, that's it for now, so I'll see you guys later.